ma la pastosa giovani invidia sembro.
Hi, I'm Janice Dumont with Primetime Communities, and we are here today to introduce you to Capitol Cove, which is one of our newest condominium communities, and also share with you all the wonderful features and amenities Providence, Rhode Island has to offer. Come along, let's check it out. Providence is a fabulous city with so many different cultural, artistic, restaurant, academic venues to offer. There are more than 5 colleges here. The art scene here in Providence is terrific and energetic, with all the students here from RISD. Tour the different galleries, have wine. Providence is a walkable city. Hop on the trolley, take it up to Federal Hill, take it up to the galleries, the east side, all over the city. You have many options. There are bike paths, there's the Riverwalk. There's something happening every night and every day.
But if she ever come back to stay, it's gonna be...
This is the Hope Street Farmers Market, and I have to say it's a very exciting thing for people who are going to be living in Capitol Cove. This Hope Street Market is just another marketplace that people who live in Capitol Cove can come up on a Saturday morning, and for those who live there, you can certainly make a good walk up the hill. Otherwise, you can drive. Whenever you buy some little thing at the local markets, you feel it's a special treat for you to have that experience, and then it's also special to have your friends come over and then share that with them in the evening. Here we are on Thayer Street. I have to tell you, the heart of the east side. If you live at Capitol Cove, this definitely is one of your neighborhoods. It's very funky, there's lots of things happening. It's a great way after your farmer's market to just come for a walk. You have all these small independent shop owners and very eclectic. One of my favorite places, Andreas. It's a Greek restaurant. And just past Andreas, after you've had an early evening dinner, you can stop at the Avon. And when you go a little bit further down the street, if you want, of course it's the center of Brown University, you know, you can go to a lecture. There's activities happening all the time.
We're here in Federal Hill, which is another historic neighborhood of Providence. We are presently in DePasquale Square, which is the open-air dining area of Federal Hill. DePasquale Square in the Federal Hill area boasts 45 Italian restaurants, which is actually more restaurants than Little Italy in New York City. It's a Saturday afternoon, and as you look around, there are people outside enjoying the wonderful piazza atmosphere, and it's only a short trolley ride away from your home at Capitol Cove. The nightlife in Providence is truly exciting and fun, from Broadway-style theater productions to nightclubs, pubs, it's all here. One of the really magical pieces of this city is Waterfire. You can go and experience the Riverwalk in an evening throughout the summer months and into the early fall, and ride a gondola and truly appreciate the scenery, the culture, the arts, the community at large. It's really an exciting and fun place to be.
The missing component of Providence is the residential component. For any successful city to reach its optimum level, we really need to have the residential component. We thought we'd be able to bring that residential component into Providence. Capitol Cove is that residential component.
The building itself is a mid-rise building. The condominiums at Capitol Cove offer 1 and 2 bedroom options. There are 2-bedroom options with lofts available as well.
Capitol Cove offers a number of different floor plans. In fact, it probably has as many as 10 or 12 different floor plans, some being quite unique. Capitol Cove is so centrally located. It sort of fits in between the financial district, the shopping district, and the residential east side of Providence, which is really the east side I see as Providence crown jewel.
The condominiums at Capitol Cove offer wonderful views. The community sits right in front of the Riverwalk. You actually look down to the water. There'll be a beautiful park situated right in front of that, or you're looking out the other side of the community and enjoying the view of the Capitol building. Capitol Cove features wonderful amenities, including an indoor pool, fitness center, a little bistro cafe area, and an outdoor grilling area. Every home in Capitol Cove includes an indoor parking space.
People always say real estate's location, location, location. Capitol Cove has it.